बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बनाएंगे चिकन टिक्का पिज़्ज़ा विदाउट oven. Now let's start. For chicken tikka filling, I am using 3 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 500 grams chicken boneless cubes. Fry for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon dry oregano, 1 teaspoon rosemary, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half cup yogurt. Now mix well and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, 1 teaspoon whole spices powder. Now mix again. Now it's done. Take out from the pan. For pizza sauce, I am using 2 tablespoon oil, 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add 2 cup chopped tomatoes, 1 cup chopped onion. Now give a good mix and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncovered. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon dry oregano, 1 teaspoon dry rosemary. Now mix. At this point, now we will cook and mash tomatoes and onion. Now I'm adding 1 cup of tomato ketchup. Cook for 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Now pizza sauce is ready. Take out from the pan. For pizza dough, I am using 3.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 2 teaspoon instant yeast. Add 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 egg. Now give a good mix. It's done. I'm using 12 tablespoon warm milk and 12 tablespoon warm water. Now mix it. Add milk in all-purpose flour and knead dough. Add again milk and knead dough for 5 minutes. Wet your hands with water and knead dough. Grease the dough with oil. Now cover and let it rest for 2 hours until double in size. After 2 hours, you can see it's double in size. Now sprinkle flour, take dough and knead for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, cut from center and make 2 balls and rest it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, press the dough ball and flatten it. Now roll the roller pin and turn the side. Make a round shape. Place the rolled dough on pizza pan. Prick with fork. Add pizza sauce and spread. Add mozzarella cheese. Add chicken tikka filling. Add capsicum. Add onions. Add cheddar cheese. Place black olives on top. Now rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, in a pot, add 800 grams salt and preheat your pot for 15 minutes. Place pizza rack. Now add pizza, cover and bake it for medium-high flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now yummy and delicious pizza is ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.